Iya, dia kata tuan lu. Hei Daniel, PUILANO LAMSOGO KAHAPANG binai tono JOTO hastene LUKUROK white tape ni enge nabo hagor tola thayo rally khlailanyai tangai himale NOROK bak JOTO no saimano Bangladesh ha ariwo chini TRIPURA saro balaikeno hanang pinang sato pito khlaijak tomano toyei watinya wei tao
ऊपर उठा जान किसु
अरे अच्छा borok tungma te phaibase phaijongo nai tango khajan tago te bukujo khabang binai tongnai JOTO haste LUKUROK gobang kongno share khaji jara live nai tongnai baksa borok jara nogo tongnai rok hokpaya ang imano boro nogo tong ikano naimanto
Teşekkür ederim. Slogan mana? Mundur. Slogan dong na. Murbi. हाथ छुड़ा Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. We have long live. The IS have long live. The W have long live. The promote have long live. No more violence in Bangladesh. No more violence in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh. Bangladesh minorities from the attack Hamani Bondo Makhanyai. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh. We want justice. We want justice. Minorities Bondo Makhanyai. HAIKHE Chaba Cholilai. YT have long live. The IS have long live. The promote have long live. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh.
উনাতে কি বলবেন মানে বাংলাদেশের যে সিচুয়েশন চলছে আচ্ছা লইছে একটু
ধন্যবাদ মিডিয়া বন্ধুদেরকে। আজকে আমরা এখানে উপস্থিত হয়েছি, আপনারা নিশ্চয় অবগত আছেন। কালকে হোয়াইট টেপের যাকে আজকে আমাদের যে ডেমনস্ট্রেশন, এখানে আপনারা জানেন যে বাংলাদেশে মাইনরিটি যারা আছেন, আমাদের জনজাতি যারা মাইনরিটি রয়েছেন, তাদের যে অত্যাচার করা হয়েছে, হঠাৎ করে একজন চোরকে ধরতে গিয়ে সেই চোর নিজেই বাঁকতে গিয়ে একটা পিলারের মধ্যে ধাক্কা খেয়ে উনি হসপিটালে গিয়ে মারা গেছে। সেই চোরকে কেন্দ্র করে আজকে আমাদের যারা মাইনরিটি, যারা ত্রিপুরাতে রয়েছেন, ওই বাংলাদেশের ত্রিপুরি চাকমা সম্প্রদায় রয়েছেন, ওনার উপরে যেভাবে নির্মম হত্যা করা হয়েছে, গুলি করে হত্যা করা হয়েছে, বাড়িঘর জ্বালিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে, সেই প্রতিবাদে আজকে আমাদের এই আমাদের সিটিং ডেমনস্ট্রেশন করা হয়েছে। আমরা কোনোদিন ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের যারা ত্রিপুরা ছাড়া আমরা চুপ করে বসে থাকতে পারবো না। এইভাবে অত্যাচার যেন জঘন্য, এইভাবে অত্যাচার যেন বন্ধ করা হোক বাংলাদেশ সরকার এবং ওইখানে প্রশাসন আছে, প্রশাসনকে আমি বলবো অতি সত্বর যে অত্যাচার করা হয়েছে বাংলাদেশে ত্রিপুরাদের উপর, আমাদের মাইনরিটি যারা রয়েছেন তাদের উপর অতি সত্বর বন্ধ না করলে আমাদের ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের আমরা TWF, YPF, ত্রিপুরা মাতা, TISF আমরা বৃহত্তর আন্দোলনে যেতে বাধ্য হব।
Also, I would like to request the peoples of Bangladesh, please maintain peace and solidarity to all the minorities communities like Chakmas, Tripuris, and the Garus, and Riyangs, and Tripuris, Moks, each and every minority. That is what our Gobangra, our Maharaja Project Christian Manika Bahadur is speaking, raising his voice against all the minorities communities, not only from Tripura, but across the country, that all the people should seek justice. Every people in this world have their own rights for their caste, creed and religion. As we are all independent. That is what we, the people, believe, the promoter, YPF believe that peace should be maintained all over the country of Bangladesh. As we all know that in Bangladesh now we are in an interim government. So I would like to request to all the brothers and sisters from Bangladesh, please stop brutally killing and beating up our minorities brothers and sisters. Also, I would like to remind very most the historic part. During the time of Mukti Juddha, India government and Tripura helped a lot to all the people from Bangladesh. We give the place for the peace talk here in Tripura. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he came in our state of Tripura and had a peace talk with Indian government and we helped a lot in Bangladesh. So I just want to remind all the people from the Bangladesh that please maintain peace, solidarity towards our minorities community. Stop this brutally killing and brutally beating up and vandalizing the house and burning the house. That's what we YTF today had a peaceful meditations on behalf of our beloved Bagra and with all the beloved of Bangladesh.
सर देखा जा रहा है बांग्लादेश में आप अपील कर रहे हैं, तो इंडिया गवर्नमेंट से क्या अपील करेंगे कि बांग्लादेश में जो क्राइम हो रहा है और जो माइनॉरिटी के ऊपर अटैक हो रहा है, तो इंडिया गवर्नमेंट से आपका क्या?
मैं इंडिया गवर्नमेंट को यही कहना चाहते हैं, जो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी, जो हमारा नरेंद्र मोदी जी और हमारा गृह मंत्री जी जो अमित शाह, प्लीज have a peace talk with the government of Bangladesh to save our minorities, brothers and sisters. Not only brothers and sisters of minorities, all over to maintain peace and prosperity and maintain solidarity toward that state of Bangladesh. That is what we request the Indian government.
না তারপরে খুশি না না सर ये जो प्रोटेस्ट आप लोग कर रहे हैं कितना सर ये जो प्रोटेस्ट आप लोग कर रहे हैं किस चीज़ को लेके है और आप लोग क्या था?
Actually, we all know that since from last 2-3 days, we have been getting a news that many riots have been in Bangladesh, that many people from minorities community brothers and sisters like Chakmas, Garos, Tripuris, Moks, Riyangs have been killed, mostly murdered in the country of Bangladesh. For this reason, we YTF, the promoter, the WF, the SF today, we had a peaceful agitation here. Now we are moving towards the Bangladesh High Commission to submit a memorandum. As we all know that since from last 2-3 days, Bangladesh have been killing our brothers and sisters of minorities. Also, I would like to remind all them, our Maharaja Pradip Vikram Christian Manika Bahadur has been keep on saying that save minorities not only in Tripura but all over the country in India as well as outside India. For this reason, we held a peaceful protest rally here in the state, in the capital of Agartala, organized by YTF. As we all know that, also I would like to request and I would like to remind our Bangladesh government that during the time of Mukti Juddha, Indian government and Tripura have helped you a lot. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman had a peace talk in the state of Tripura with our Prime Minister of India that time. And we have helped you when you have a rights of East Pakistan. When you are in the East Pakistan, with the West Pakistan, there is present in Pakistan, and East Pakistan, there is now Bangladesh. That time we help you a lot. Please remind our brothers and sisters. In every country, all the people have rights for their caste, creed, and religion to live happily. That is what I would like to request the interim government of Bangladesh to stop killing, brutally killing, and murder and vandalizing of the house, burning of the house of the people of minorities communities. Because we all know that minorities communities are everywhere lag behind with all the people. For that reason, our Maharaj is raising a voice all the time for the minorities community like Chakmas, Tripuris, and Mogs, Riyangs, all the communities. For that reason, I would like to appeal to the government of Bangladesh to maintain peace and solidarity and stay peacefully in the state of Bangladesh.
इंडिया गवर्नमेंट से क्या अपील करना चाहेंगे सेंट्रल
The
गवर्नमेंट
Indian government को यही कहना चाहिए. I just want to request government, the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji and Narendra Modi ji, please have a peace talk with the government of Bangladesh and save our minorities.
Name and designation.
My name is Suraj Verma, President YTF.
Thank you.
We want justice. We want justice. No justice, no rest. Bangladesh minorities from Natek Primary Bondo Mak. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. No justice, no rest. We want justice. We want justice. Bangladesh minorities from Natek Primary Bondo Mak. HAIKHE Chobat Choli Nay. HAIKHE Chobat Choli Nay. We want justice. No justice, no rest. We want justice. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. We want justice. No justice, no rest. Bangladesh minorities from Natek Primary Bondo Mak. Bangladesh minorities from Natek Primary Bondo Mak. HAIKHE Chobat Choli Nay. HAIKHE Chobat Choli Nay. We want justice. No justice, no rest. We want justice. No justice, no rest. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh. We want justice. No justice, no rest. ITF long live. DISF long live. Diplomata long live. Mubakra long live. We want justice in Bangladesh. We want justice in Bangladesh. YTF want justice in Bangladesh. JSF want justice in Bangladesh. No justice, no rest. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. We want justice. No justice, no rest. We want justice. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh. We want justice. No justice, no rest. We want justice. No justice, no rest. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Save minorities in Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh. We want justice. We want justice. No justice, no rest. No justice, no rest. We want justice. No justice, no rest. Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh. We want justice, justice, justice. We want justice, justice, justice. No justice, no rest, no rest, no rest. Set minorities in Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Stop violence in Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh. We want justice, justice, justice. We want justice, justice, justice. Why do you want justice in Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh? Why do you want justice in Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh? They want justice in Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে থ্যাংক ইউ ভাই এই জায়গা অন্য সময় সাহায্য করে টেনশন নেই যত না সেম রান্না नों बानो फासि दङानो साब्लासो
ले चल ले कोई
गिवे
PUILANO LAMSOGO jara live naik tongnaik KHAPANG TV level ke HAMBAI tamni ngaba NOROK nai LOGI ri tongmani bagai
Long live!
Bangladesh Civil Marine Committee Lornai Attack Family Bono Makhayai. Eka Coba Cholinai. Eka Coba Cholinai. Kita mau tanam dem. Kita mau tanam dem. YTM long dem. YTM long dem. Kita PM long dem. Kita PM long dem.
Norok.